What is it?
Why didn't you call me? Abhi, I can't. I tried a lot. Please try to understand.
What did you try?
It's not a joke. I'm quite serious, Abhi. My parents have started looking for marriage proposals.
Get married then. After having a family with couple of children, you will be okay.
Take it. I get it that you were playing around all this while, but don't take me for a fool.
Hello? Anuradha. I will put her online. It's Abhi's dad. Please answer his call. If he asks if you are Anuradha, say yes. And tell him don't call this number again. Rascal.
Hey, what are you saying?
No,
What's
no,
wrong
no,
with you?
no,
We will
you
deal
just
with this
keep
later.
quiet. I'm
Kichu,
not
please,
ready to get beaten
don't
up.
do this. Don't answer.
Hello, I'm Raghu. Do you remember? From our village. You know, I saw you the other day at Valanchamlam, but I could not talk to you. I want to speak to you, if you don't mind. Can we talk right now?
Cut the call. Now tell him you are engaged.
Don't ever call me in this number.
Sorry, are you mad at me?
I only meant not to call me on this number. I will give you another number.
Hey, no.
49142241.
Okay.
Why did you give your number to my dad?
I will give my number to anybody I want. I think something bothering you, Abhi. Moreover, your dad wants to tell me something. Let me also listen.
No, Ellie,
okay?
you can't do this to me,
Jasu,
please.
start the car.
You deserve it.
Hey, you!
Get lost.
Ellie? Ellie! You've been sobbing since a long time. Come out, you idiot.
I will not come.
I said come out.
I won't come.
Will you stop crying and come out?
Jasu. Why did he break up with me, Jasu? I want to meet Abhi right now.
I'll sort out everything. Come out.
Will you sort out if I come out?
Yes, come. Oh God. Oh God. Lie down there, my dear.
Jasu.
Yes.
Jasu.
Tell me.
Jasu!
Listen. You asked for booze, I got it for you. I told you several times not to get involved with him. What can I do if he ditched you? No, don't make me go crazy.
Jasu,
Mm.
please look at me.
What?
What's wrong with me, Jasu? Shh. Didn't I take care of him so dearly? Can anybody love him more intensely than me? You
listen.
tell me. You tell me. Hello?
Hello? Anuradha,
Abhi's dad. It's Abhi's dad.
Why did you cut the call then?
What else?
Why the hell did you cut the call?
What am I to do then? I gave him my number just to annoy Abhi. I never expected he would call me again.
Yes, which is why you should answer this call
He's
now.
a policeman.
So what? Pick up the call.
No policeman.
Put it on loudspeaker and attend the call.
Hello?
hello? Is this Anuradha here?
Yes.
Am I disturbing you at this hour?
Shh. This hour.
In a way, it's good that we are speaking on phone. Since many years, I wanted to say sorry to you for what I did to you. Is this okay if I talk to you? Is this okay if I talk to you like that?
Say yes. Talk. Can I call you back? Huh?
Yeah, sure.
Oh God, what a voice.
No.
Ellie? Ellie?